Mango is one of the most loved fruits around the world, with a sweet taste and characteristic aroma. Mangoes from flowering to harvest, it usually takes about 3 months. Mango harvest time usually takes place in spring and summer. When the mango turns from green to yellow or orange, it is time to harvest the mango. At this time, the mango will have a natural sweetness and characteristic aroma. Harvesting workers will choose the best mangoes, free from damage or pests. Mangoes are harvested by hand to avoid collisions and to be able to choose ripe fruits of your choice. Workers will pick each fruit, put it in a basket, and move it to the gathering place. To avoid mango sap damaging and blackening the mango peel, people will cleanly cut off the stem of the mango. Newly harvested mangoes will be sorted by fruit size. After that, quality mangoes will be gently placed into boxes. Next, the boxes of mangoes will be placed on a scale to measure their weight before being loaded onto trucks for transport to the factory. Upon arrival at the packaging factory, the mango will be placed in water to wash off the remaining mango sap. After that, the mango will be transported to the production line to clean the skin again and remove all impurities. Mangoes after cleaning are classified according to size, color, and ripeness. Mangoes are carefully placed into each packaging according to regulations. Then, they are transported to the place of consumption. At the processing factory, the mangoes will be washed again. Before being processed, the mangoes will be checked to see if they have reached maturity. Workers participating in processing will have to disinfect their hands and feet and wear protective gear to ensure food hygiene and safety. Mangoes are peeled and cut into pieces. Next, the mango is cut into small, even pieces. After being cut into small pieces, the mango pieces will be put into the dryer. Check the dryness of the dried mango by touching it. The dried mango will feel dry and shrink a bit, but will still be soft. Once the mangoes are completely dried, let them cool and then store them in an airtight bag to keep them dry and long-lasting. After drying, the finished product will be packaged and transported to stores and supermarkets for sale. In addition, ripe mangoes can also be processed into delicious and nutritious mango juice. First, the mango will be cleaned and any unsatisfactory pests will be removed. Mangoes that meet the requirements will be moved to the juicer. Here, the mango flesh will be separated and pureed. The peel and seeds of the mango will be removed. The pureed mango flesh will be put through a filter to remove the remaining fibers. So we have obtained delicious and nutritious mango juice. The final step is bottling and shipping to consumers. Thank you for watching.